on the stationary escalator to cover some distance. Okay, so the escalator here in case number 1, escalator is stationary and let the man is moving with a velocity v. Okay, the time taken by him is t1. So what I can write here? I can write it as t1 equal to, let the distance that the man covers be d. So I can write it as d by v. Okay, so velocity of man will come out to be d over t1 from this first case. Clear? Now, about the second case of this question, what it is saying? That the person takes t2 second in the moving escalator to cover the same distance. Now the escalator is also moving and the man is also moving on the escalator with same velocity. So for case 2, escalator is moving say with a velocity ve and man is also moving on the escalator with a velocity v. Okay, so students, you must be aware about the riverboat problem concept. Riverboat problem concept. Is this scenario not similar to that problem where a river is flowing with a velocity vr and the velocity of a man on still water is v, and when I had to write velocity of man with respect to ground, I would simply write it as v plus vr. The difference here is that in place of vr, here I can just replace velocity of escalator. So for case number 2, T2 can be written as d over v plus ve. This will give me v plus ve is equal to d over T2 and ve will come out to be d over T2 minus v, and v I know that the value of v is d over T1. So it can be written as d over T1. So this is d I am taking common and this will come out to be T1 minus T2 over T1 T2. In third case, what it is saying? Case number 3 we are talking about. In case number 3, it is saying that if the person is at rest on the escalator and the escalator is moving, then the time taken is t3 and you have to calculate that time. So t3 here is d over ve because man is not moving, and ve I just calculated it here. So I will just substitute the value here. T3 will be equal to d over d into T1 minus T2 over T1 T2. So this will come out to be T3 equals to, this d will cancel out and this will come out to be T1 T2 over